If you're like most founders I talk to, you've got a nagging feeling that AI could be doing a lot more for your business than it is right now. You've seen the headlines, you've watched others making moves, and you've probably even tried a few things out yourself. If you're being honest, you can see the potential, but you're just not sure what's real, what's hype, and how would you actually even apply it to your own business. Now, that's a really common place to be, and most business owners I speak to feel exactly the same way. And it makes sense. This space is moving super fast. I'm Selda Seyfi. I spent 20 years in management consulting, finding the waste in big businesses and rebuilding the processes around the people actually doing the work. I'm the founder of Quantum Lane AI, and we do that same work for founder businesses across the UK and globally. I write a weekly newsletter called Maximize Your Minutes, which is read by thousands of business owners, where I see week after week what actually works for owners like you and what doesn't. And here's what I've learned. Most AI projects don't deliver, and the technology genuinely works. Where it goes wrong almost every time is right at the start. Businesses pick the technology before they've identified the problem they're trying to solve. That's why I founded Quantum Lane AI and why every engagement starts with an opportunity assessment. We find the AI opportunities hiding in your business right now. We work out which ones are actually worth going after, ranked by what they're worth and how easy they are to capture, and we suggest the right solution for your business. We train your team so that adoption actually sticks, and then we build it for you. And we don't just hand it over and walk away. We walk you through every single step because the value isn't in the document, it's in the practical application of it. You will walk away with clarity on exactly where AI fits in your business, confidence in what to do first, and a plan that's yours to own. From there, we're in your corner, whether you take the plan and run with it yourself or hand it back to us to build and roll out. Your business comes first, AI comes second. If that sounds like what you've been looking for, take the AI Opportunity Scorecard and apply to work with us. I look forward to hearing from you soon.